Create fun graphics with one of Canva's most powerful tools. Stay tuned. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to refine images of people, products, and more in minutes to help you cut the clutter from your photos like a professional. Let's get into it. So first you need to choose a color for your background. Then you're going to want to head on over and choose an image. Make sure that the image of your background is solid. It will take a moment for it to actually remove the background. But once you do, you'll be able to create a fun graphic using the transparent background. I'm using one of my brand kits from the membership to create a graphic that fits that brand. And you can do the same thing by getting your brand colors, your fonts, and your elements that you like to use and add that to your graphic. Here I'm going to show you how I created this graphic. And there you have it, a quote graphic that you can add to your social media, whether it's Instagram or Facebook or even Twitter. And don't forget to have an engaging caption to go with it. So the next image is going to have a little bit more items in there, but it still remains the same. This one is a flat lay image, and all I have to do is to remove that white background is to go over to effects, head on over to background remover, and it's going to remove that background. Now all I have to do is change the background of the image, and I can change it over to the brand colors. And if you want a better view of how it's going to look in a square, I suggest just cropping the image a little bit more just to make sure that it fits and it aligns well with what you want it to look like. Now we're going to create another graphic. Lastly, we're going to look at a mockup. So I took one of the iPhone images from one of my stock photo collections, and I'm just going to remove the background of that one. Now you are left with an isolated phone mockup where you can add screenshots, a scrolling video, and really take this iPhone and actually create a cool graphic with it. And I'm going to show you just how I did mine. So in order to add a screenshot, I'm going to get one of the image grids and I'm going to push it forward, and you have to click on it and then click away, and then that way it'll move forward in front of the phone mockup. And then you can adjust it to fit right inside of the black area. Also, just a side note, if you click on elements and type in shadows, you can find some really cool shadows to add to your graphics. And here I am adding more brand elements to the graphic. If you have different types of brand elements, make sure to add them into your graphics every now and then. And there you have it, 3 different ways to create branded graphics using the removal tool inside of Canva. Give this video a thumbs up and check out another video on customizing stock photos for your brand.